Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add media from your Google Drive or Google Photos into a Google Vids project. So let's say you're working on a Google Vids project and you have some of your own media that you would like to insert into a scene, depending on where it is. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access media that is either in Google Drive or in your Google Photos. So if you go to Insert, you'll notice that Drive and Photos is one of the options. If you click on that, you'll see this little pane over here open up, and this will give you access to media that you have in your Google Drive or in your Google Photos. Now, one of the nice things about this is, how sometimes you open up a file selector and there's certain types of files that you can't insert, but they still show up and they're just kind of like grayed out. This doesn't show you those. This will only show you media that you can use. You can even filter it, either recent in your drive, shared with me, starred, and then this would be computers that are attached to that drive, or media type, photos and images, videos, or audio. So if you have those types of media files that you would like to insert into a Google Vids, that would be a way you can access them if they're in either your Google Drive or in Google Photos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.